Yo, what up? Adam was Maki 98 here. My mom is about to light up fireworks, so I'm gonna show it to her. Alright, what do you got? Wow. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I gotta stand back.
Ow!
Oh, you gotta be careful, Mom. You don't want to get burned yourself.
Land on my toes.
You're making me very unhappy.
It keeps coming to my toes. This one's about to go down.
I know. It's like seeing a fire shower. I'm not sure it says rain of fire. Or whatever the hell it is. Alright. What's the next one?
Okay, now this one. Wait, hold on.
Well,
Use a Maki. You're not gonna use a Maki.
no. Yeah, I know Mockingbird, but you gotta light them up. I feel like I was twitching or something. I don't know. When I'm twitching. Okay. Careful not to fall. Yeah, I guess it's pretty hard to light it up.
Yeah, I think this one's good. No. Hold on. Oh.
What are you supposed to do?
Oh, that's why I gotta look at it again. Let's see. How many lighters? Let's see. You have to take. Hold firm. Push button.
The button.
Maybe it's not something you light up.
Oh, I gotta pee.